easy for me. I love that.
Left hand? You want to try?
Yeah.
You get it right here.
I'll get it right there.
Right, shoot it right there. Come on, back right. We're gonna put some. Let me get these wet. I'm gonna put some on the back because we'll burn that cord. Yeah.
Love this job. Charles, you wanna solder?
No, go ahead. It's been a while for me, man. I'm really rusty.
I'm rusty too, but you know what? This is where you screw stuff up.
Yeah.
Because Mr. Popek just loves it.
Yeah. He loves it.
Why, what's Popek do? Is he coming out on his
You
pocket?
break it.
He has it all over the store.
He's got the keys to the kingdom, so if you break it, he's got to replace it.
Don't you want to bring the heat rag up there, boy?
No. Okay.
Bring that up a little bit. You want to put another one in there? No, that's good.
Okay, ready? You're all set. Okay.
Bring it over.
Okay.
Blaze it there.
Water.
Good. Get the bottom. That's it. Now you see where you go.
Yeah, that was quick.
Right now.
Yeah.
He goes on for